What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. Uber stock is exploding. We're going to talk about it today. Please thumbs up the video, my friends. Before we get started, I want to thank our sponsor, Solo. Solo is the business app for drivers, and with their new guaranteed pay feature, they have drivers flocking to join the app. They have a free version nationwide, and when you sign up with our link, they're gonna send you $15 simply for linking your gig account with our link, and this is how it works. Pay guaranteed. Without transparent market-wide earnings information, it can make your decision of where and when to work very difficult. That's why you can plan your schedule to hit your earnings goal faster, guaranteed. Go out and drive for Instacart, $37 guaranteed in 1 hour. Uber, $37 guaranteed 1 hour. DoorDash, $38. Craziness. Sometimes they have lower ones like only $27 per hour, which is still really good. So again, when you use our link, you can sign up and get started absolutely for free. As you can see here, they have a free version and they're gonna send you 15 bucks. And look at this, my friends, Uber stock sees its best day in more than 2 years after first cash flow positive quarter. Wow, wow, wow. This is finally, the day has finally come where Uber is actually cash flow positive. Uber Technologies stock rose sharply Tuesday as the ride hailing and delivery giant's revenue and forecast beat expectations. What does that mean, guys? Well, that means it's probably a good time to go out and drive for Uber and Lyft right now. And probably a really good time to go and sign up for Solo, where you're gonna take home $5,000 more a year. Because look at this, Uber stock closed at about 19% higher at 29 bucks. And guys, if you bought into Uber stock when it was down low, you probably made some good money lately. A lot of stuff is trending upwards lately. Dark Horse Sorry said, when we look at the competitive environment, this is the strongest we felt since CFO Nelson Chai and I have been here. This is the strongest right now, my friends, that Dara feels like Uber's been. Uber also reported free cash flow, 382 million bucks. Why don't you throw drivers an extra couple bucks or two? Beating expectations of 106 million, though it posted a second quarter loss of 2.6 billion or $1.33 per share. That compared with net income of 1.14 billion or 58 cents a share in the year ago period. Uber said the loss included $1.7 billion in losses related to the revaluation of its Aurora, Grab, and Zomato stakes. So anyways, guys, the stock is exploding lately. Let me know if you bought into this stock. And yeah, guys, sign up for Solo with our link below. You can sign up, get started for free, and they're gonna send you 15 bucks. This is a great app that every single Uber and Lyft driver right now should go ahead and download this, or for any gig working app, sign up for these shifts. Even if you don't need it, you know, it's a good just backbone, plan B. If you don't go out and hit those rides, they're gonna guarantee that you do, make a solid amount of money. So thanks for watching, guys. You guys are great, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.